The cryptocurrency world is buzzing. Pi Network just secured a major investment from 137 Venture. This marks a pivotal moment for Pi, a project that's quietly built a massive user base through its mobile-first approach. For longtime followers, this is the progress they've been waiting for. The backing of a respected venture capital firm brings not just funding, but credibility and expertise. It signals that Pi Network is moving closer to launching a fully functional open cryptocurrency network. The financial boost will fuel development, marketing, and infrastructure, essential for scaling up. More importantly, it shows that institutional investors see real potential in Pi's vision and technology. This could attract even more users, developers, and partners, accelerating growth. Pi Network has been in its enclosed mainnet phase, with users mining Pi on their phones but unable to trade it externally. This investment could be the catalyst for opening the network to the world. Venture capitalists are now looking beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, searching for the next big innovation. For Pi users, this is validation. Their participation is building something with real value. For newcomers, it's proof that crypto is maturing and attracting serious capital. In this video, we'll explore what this partnership means for Pi Network and the future of digital money. It's a story of technology, finance, and the quest for a more accessible financial system. Let's dive in. Pi Network set out to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone, not just those with expensive hardware. Founded by Stanford graduates, Pi lets users mine coins on their smartphones with a simple daily tap. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi's mining is energy efficient and doesn't drain your phone. The system uses a consensus algorithm based on the Stellar protocol, relying on trusted users to validate transactions. This approach is lightweight, eco-friendly, and designed for mass adoption. Growth has been viral. Users invite friends, building a global community now tens of millions strong. However, Pi coins currently exist only within a closed system. They can't be traded for traditional money yet. The project is in its enclosed mainnet phase, a step before public launch. The ultimate goal: a widely used peer-to-peer digital currency for everyday transactions. Pi's vision includes an ecosystem of apps and marketplaces built on its blockchain. Developers will be able to create new tools and services for Pi's vast user base. Success hinges on moving from a closed network to an open, decentralized one. This leap requires not just technology, but a strong community and real-world utility for the Pi coin. The recent investment could be the push needed to make this vision a reality. Pi Network is betting that accessibility and community will drive the next wave of crypto adoption. If it works, it could change how digital money is created and used. The world is watching. So, who is 137 Venture? They're a San Francisco-based venture capital firm known for backing high-growth tech companies. Their portfolio includes giants like SpaceX, Pinterest, and Workday. 137 Venture specializes in providing liquidity to founders and early employees of successful private companies. They typically invest in late-stage startups poised for major expansion or public launch. Their involvement is a strong vote of confidence. They have a track record of spotting winners early. For Pi Network, this means more than just funding. It brings strategic advice, operational expertise, and a powerful network of contacts. Their decision to invest in a pre-launch crypto project signals belief in Pi's user base and vision. It also reflects a broader shift. Venture capital is taking digital assets seriously. With 137 Venture on board, Pi Network gains a valuable ally for navigating the complex worlds of tech, finance, and regulation. This partnership could be a game changer. The investment from 137 Venture is a turning point for Pi Network. It provides the capital needed to hire top engineers, expand marketing, and build a secure global infrastructure. But it's not just about money. This is a huge credibility boost. For years, Pi faced skepticism about its legitimacy. Now, a respected VC firm has done its due diligence and decided to back the project. This external validation can silence doubters and build trust. It also makes it easier to form partnerships and attract developers. Businesses may now be more willing to accept Pi as payment, and developers may see real opportunity in building on the platform. The investment signals stability and long-term commitment, creating a cycle of growth and utility. Just as important, 137 Venture brings strategic guidance. Their experience can help Pi avoid common startup pitfalls and scale effectively. From product strategy to governance, their mentorship is a hidden asset. For Pi Network, this partnership is about more than funding. It's about unlocking the next stage of growth. The project now has the resources and expertise to pursue its ambitious goals. The future looks brighter than ever. 137 Venture's investment is a bold vote of confidence in Pi Network's unique approach. Unlike many crypto projects that raise money first, Pi built its community organically, user by user. This patient strategy is now validated by a major Silicon Valley investor. For millions of pioneers, it's proof their daily participation is building something real. The investment re-energizes the community and legitimizes mobile-based mining. It challenges the skepticism around earning crypto on a phone. By backing Pi, 137 Venture signals that accessible, energy-efficient crypto can be a real innovation. This could inspire other projects to follow suit, making crypto more inclusive worldwide. The new funding will accelerate Pi Network's growth on multiple fronts. First, it enables the hiring of top blockchain engineers and security experts, speeding up the transition to an open mainnet. This means Pi coins could become tradable sooner, a milestone for users. The investment will also fund developer incentive programs, encouraging the creation of apps and services powered by Pi. Think of an app store for decentralized applications, all using Pi for payments. Real-world utility is the key to long-term value. Marketing and global expansion will get a boost, reaching new users and educating them about crypto. Legal and regulatory compliance will be strengthened, building trust and stability. Security will be enhanced through audits, bug bounties, and a dedicated team. For pioneers, this means a safer, more robust network. The investment fortifies Pi's foundation as it prepares for global launch. Every user's effort is now backed by world-class resources. The future of Pi is being built, faster and stronger than ever. Pi Network's investment is part of a bigger trend. Venture capital is pouring into crypto and blockchain. The industry has matured, with real-world applications and massive growth potential. VCs see echoes of the early internet where risky bets became global giants. The chance for huge returns is irresistible, even with high risk. The pandemic accelerated interest as investors sought assets to hedge against inflation. Crypto's mainstream acceptance has drawn institutional money and attention. VCs want to fund the infrastructure of the new digital economy. Blockchain projects are tackling big challenges: finance, identity, governance. For VCs, backing the next foundational platform is the ultimate prize. It's about shaping the future and reaping the rewards. The 137 Venture investment in Pi Network sends a powerful message to the crypto world. User base and community engagement are now seen as critical assets. Pi's success in attracting major VC attention highlights the value of distribution and network effects. This could inspire other projects to focus on building strong, engaged communities from the start. The deal also helps mainstream crypto, making it more credible to the public and traditional finance. Each investment like this bridges the gap between old and new finance. Pi's model of mobile mining and organic growth offers an alternative to speculative ICOs. It could lead to more equitable, sustainable project launches. The investment also underscores the importance of mobile platforms for global crypto adoption. Pi's mobile-first approach is now validated by Sirius Capital. The next billion crypto users may join through their phones, and Pi is leading the way. For Pi Network, the journey is just beginning. The investment from 137 Venture is the starting gun, not the finish line. The challenge now is to deliver on the promise, launching a secure, open mainnet. Pi's approach flips the script: build a massive user base first, then create market value. If successful, it could become a new playbook for digital currencies. The impact on financial inclusion could be profound, especially for the unbanked with only a smartphone. The partnership provides resources to tackle technical, regulatory, and educational challenges. This is more than a funding story. It's about validating a new approach to crypto. The coming months will be critical as Pi tries to turn its community into a thriving economy. The world is watching to see if this experiment can redefine digital money. Success could reshape how cryptocurrencies are launched and adopted. For now, Pi Network stands at the forefront of a new era in digital finance. The future of money may be closer than we think.